of quantum mechanics, I mean, we're going to talk about the quantum entanglement, and we would like to take it away from the laboratories. Quantum entanglement. Okay, this is something that we would like to talk about, and we would try to take it out of our laboratories. And to start with, the argument is like this: that when most people, most of the audience, most of the people hear the word entanglement in literal sense, what they do is they imagine that these things are happening in the laboratories, and people are performing those experiments, and they are entangling the particles. They use lasers, or they use some kind of chambers, vacuum chambers, and they test the reality of entanglement, and physicists are arguing late into the night that performing those experiments and arguing that they are not basically imagining cells. I mean, they do not imagine cells. They do not imagine the biological entities. And what they perceive, they don't imagine enzymes, but they are doing the experiments that are purely abstract in sense, and they do not imagine the living matter. And yet life is built from the same particles that they are testing in the laboratories, performing those experiments based on lasers, bringing down entanglement, that obey the same quantum mechanical laws. The cells, the biological cells, the biological entities. So the real question is not whether entanglement exists, or I